What is a red giant star? Have you ever wondered what happens to a star when it starts to run out of fuel? Stars may seem eternal, but just like living things, they go through dramatic life stages. One of the most fascinating of these stages is the red giant phase. A red giant star forms when a star similar to our Sun reaches the later part of its life. For billions of years, a star shines by converting hydrogen into helium in its core through nuclear fusion. This process creates energy that pushes outward, balancing the inward pull of gravity. But eventually, the star's hydrogen supply in the core begins to run out. When this happens, fusion in the core slows down, and gravity starts to win. The core contracts and heats up, while hydrogen fusion continues in a shell surrounding the core. This extra energy causes the outer layers of the star to expand enormously. As the star grows larger, its surface cools, giving it a reddish appearance. This is why it is called a red giant. Despite being cooler on the surface, red giants are extremely bright because of their massive size. Some red giants can expand so much that they would engulf the inner planets of their solar systems. In fact, when the Sun becomes a red giant in about 5 billion years, it is expected to swallow Mercury and Venus, and possibly Earth. Inside a red giant, new processes begin. Once the core becomes hot enough, helium atoms start fusing into heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. This marks a critical transition in the star's life. However, this phase does not last forever. What happens next depends on the star's mass. Smaller stars will gently shed their outer layers, creating beautiful planetary nebulae, while the core remains as a dense white dwarf. More massive stars, on the other hand, may continue evolving toward far more violent endings. Red giant stars are a reminder that the universe is constantly changing. They show us that even stars, the most powerful objects in the sky, are not permanent, but part of a vast cosmic cycle of birth, transformation, and renewal.